Rainbow Cocktail Wednesday, we're here again for another week, and this week I'm going to be making a really difficult cocktail actually if you don't get it right. This is a rainbow cocktail, so hopefully this will work well and this will be okay. So we need to start off with a glass of crushed ice, and we need a shot of Grenadine first. So you need a shot of red Grenadine that I'm going to pop in here, and you combine this with the ice. Like that. We then need a shot of your rum. So I'm just going to give this a quick rinse out. We take a shot of your coconut rum. I'm going to pop this in a measuring jug. And then we need, I'm going to go for 3 kind of shots of pineapple juice together. One. I think it says for 1 shot to 3. She says a bit more, just for luck. Okay, so mix that together. So once this is settled in your glass, I'm going to be putting this stage next. So I'm really nervous because if this doesn't go right, it's just going to be a brown cocktail. We don't want a brown cocktail, so we've got to pour this really, really carefully. Okay. Concentration is crazy. So now it's not looking great. I've got to let that settle just a little bit. So as I'm letting that settle, it says that we need a shot of water. And we need a shot of this blue magic juice, if I can say it right. Curacao, whatever. So put a shot of that in there. Pop that in. So hopefully, fingers crossed for me, this works, because I've never made this before, so I really hope so. I think that settles. So then we pour this on top, and hopefully this will make our kind of rainbow shaped, or we've got a brown cocktail. So let's go for it. Okay, so it didn't go the colour I wanted, but it's got levels. You can see that. So let's take a try, because obviously they've got to taste good. Ooh, that's nice. That's really good. I like that. It's really, really fruity. Maybe it's not the rainbow cocktail. Maybe we should call it something else. Lockdown version 2, maybe. I think so. But if you want to find out other recipes and you can see other things that I get up to too, you can go on to natalieeaglen.com. Cheers!